Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 7, that is simple machines. And today we will discuss about the long question answers of chapter 7. We had already discussed about the objective questions and short question answers of chapter 7. Now today we will discuss about the long question answer. So let's begin. Question number C and question number 1. Answer the following question. Question number 1 is, what do you understand by load, fulcrum and effort? So by the name I think you are able to understand these are the different parts of a lever. These are the different parts of a lever. So here, what is load? So the weight on which force is applied. The weight on which force is applied is called load. Next comes the fulcrum, the point on which a lever turns or is supported. The point on which a lever turns or is supported is called the fulcrum. Next comes the effort, the push or pull that moves the lever or the force applied is called the effort. Now comes the next question, how is a first class lever different from second and third class lever? So the answer is here, in first class lever the fulcrum is in between the load and effort. In second class lever the load is in between the fulcrum and effort. And in third class lever the effort or the force is in between the fulcrum and the load. So in this way we can understand the three classes of levers. Next question, what is wedge, on which principle does it work? So wedge has two inclined or sloping surfaces joined together. Example is axe. Axe is the best example of a wedge. And wedge works on the principle of inclined plane. Wedge works on the principle of an inclined plane. Now comes the next question, give an example of each of the simple machines that you use in your daily life. So here we have to give example of simple machines. So first is lever. So example of lever is scissors, bottle opener and staplers. These are the examples of lever. Next question, inclined plane, so flyover. Next, wedge, example is axe or knife you can say. Next, pulley, example is curtain. Next, wheel and axle, example is sewing machine. Next comes the screw and the example is revolving chair, is an example of a screw. Now question number 5, why is a screw more useful than a nail? So the answer is here, the screw threads hold the wood more firmly than a nail. The screw threads hold the wood more firmly than a nail. That is why a screw is more useful than a nail. Next question, that is number D. Name the machine principle used in the following. So in broom, first class lever. In wheelbarrow, second class lever. In fishing rods, third class lever. In slide, inclined plane. In axe, wedge. In screw jack, a screw. So there is a question number E also. Name the simple machine associated with the following. So screw, nail plus an inclined plane means number 2, sewing machine. So in that, wheel and axle. Bottle opener, second class lever. Slide, inclined plane. Forceps, third class lever. So these are the simple machine associated with the followings. Now comes higher order thinking skills. Number 1, In a wheel and axle, if the wheel is a triangular or rectangular in shape, would it turn around easily? No. A triangular or rectangular shaped wheel would not turn around easily. Round shape is easy to turn around. Okay, so only one question is there in the HOTS. So class, I hope you are able to understand this question answers. If any problem, ask me class. I will help you. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.